Welcome to Natural Garden Fertiliser. Today we're going to talk about why we sell our Alpaca Natural in powder form. And to understand that, we need to go back to the animal itself. As you know, we have a big farm. We have about 200 alpacas, and we collect their poo about 2 times a week. Now, the alpaca poo itself, when it comes out of the alpaca, is very, very pure. And that is because the alpaca's got 3 stomachs, and in those 3 stomachs, everything gets broken down. Seeds, or basically anything gets broken down. In many other animals, for example horses, you can have seeds coming out, and whatever seeds that was in the poo, if you put it in your garden, you can get unwanted flowers. Alpacas, the poo is very, very clean. But when the machine we use collects it from the ground, it sometimes take with it mud, grass into the machine, and when we take it out of the machine and lie it out to dry, we take all of that away. And that is, for example, pieces of grass like this that you don't want to buy. You want to buy the Alpaca Natural. If you wanted grass, you would have bought grass. What we also remove is these very, very hard alpaca. And that sometimes, if it's really dry and the sun sort of bakes the alpaca poo, it can get these really, really hard bits that would never, ever disintegrate into your garden. So that wouldn't give you any nutrients, so away with that. And once we remove all of this, which we do in sort of a big sieve to remove all of that, and all the mud, if there's any of that, any dirt, then we get really, really clean pieces of alpaca poo that we then crush down in almost like a big blender into this lovely, lovely alpaca powder. And one thing you can see straight away, that if you were to buy a bag of this, you would get a lot of air. You see in here, in between all of these pieces of alpaca, there's a lot of air, and we would just ship air around, which we don't want to do, and you don't want to buy air either. And in the alpaca powder, in natural powder, there's nothing, and you can actually feel there's a quite substantial weight difference between these two, even though it's the same amount in them in volume. And that is why we do it. And next to me here is a bag of 800 grams of Alpaca Natural, same powder as is in there. And we've chosen the 800 gram bags because it's a big size for anyone who sort of had a small to medium size greenhouse with little vegetable patch. And this will see you through at least most of the season, if not the whole thing. And it will give you a nice summer with big lush vegetables that just thrive eating this slow release packed with nutrient alpaca manure. So that is why we do it. And please check out our website, naturalgardenfertiliser.co.uk, or our Instagram, Natural Garden Fertiliser. See you later.